That's why I can't even look at the scanner. I know I'm wrong, but I just gotta get it back. Just one more trade.
Yeah. 6 a.m. the screens got that pale blue light. Got a whole damn watch list, but it don't feel right. Cause my eyes are glued, man, I'm locked in tight to the one damn name that ruined my last night. Swore I was done, swore I'd walk away, but I saw that pre-market dip, thought this is the play. I went all in and it bled all day. Now I'm stuck here staring, turning cold and gray. This ain't a trade, it's a toxic romance. I hate this ticker, but I'll give it one more chance. Short in the sunlight, long in the night, doing everything backwards, stuck in this fight. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight a trend, but the trend's traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my skin is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. My other monitors flashing A+ setups, calling that other tickers breaking out a straight up hauling. My phone is blowing up, my trading group is brawling. You seeing this move? Man, I'm busy falling back in love with the pain, I guess. Adding to a loser, man, I'm such a mess. This ain't risk management, it's just a game of chess, where I'm the only pawn, filled with stress. I see the right move, but my hands won't click. This ticker's like a drug, man, it's making me sick. I just wanna break even, need that one last trick, but the hole just gets deeper, brick by brick. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Is this addiction, or is it just pride? Can't admit I'm wrong, with nowhere left to hide. Got this tunnel vision, everything else died. It's just me and this chart, side by side. I hate the stock, but I can't let it go. It's a sick obsession, watching my account blow. This was never the plan, man, I used to know how to cut the loss, how to let it go. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving. Just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Down, down, down. It's everything for what? For this one damn name. Same time tomorrow, I guess. Damn.
Yeah, I remember that ticker about a week ago, lit up every screen. Man, what a show. Headlines were buzzing, volume through the roof. Everybody screaming out that bulletproof proof. They were chasing green candles, thought it'd never been, swearing this was it, that I would never end. But I've seen this movie, I read this page before, and I was just waiting for them to find the door. Now the crickets are chirping on the forums and threads. All the to the moon boys, they just went to bed. The news anchors moved on, found a shinier car, and now it's just a number, wondering where the buyers are. Support lines are cracking, but nobody hears the sound, cause they're all busy chasing the new talk of the town. They left this one behind like an old summer trend. But that's where my story, my friend, begins. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just riding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. It's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. It's not about the panic, it's not about the crash, it's not that sudden. 100-yard dash, it's the slow unwind, the return to me, the prettiest red chart I've ever seen. Every little rally gets sold right back down like the air's letting out of a carnival clown. No drama here, just a simple truth. The party's over and I'm checking out the proof. Yeah, it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers a ghost, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. Some folks need the action, the volatility. They wanna get rich by 2:45. They like the battle, the push and the pull, but I just wait till the room ain't full. I wait for the quiet, I wait for the still, when that rock is just a rock rolling back down the hill. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. This sleepy fade, just writing it down, volume's all gone, back to normal, just a sleepy fade.
Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah, paper cuts. Gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all this chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah, stunning on the holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, the float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight, Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding back, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is charts, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just managing the risk, saving all the paper, boy. Boy. Yeah.
Man, I can't even look at the scam.
Good morning, traders. All we take is paper cuts. Good morning, green team. Hope you guys are doing well. Ready to start this year on a positive green note, positive phase 3 trial green note. Traders, we're going to get it. It's going to be a good year. Last year was good. This year is going to be even better. Going to be making that dough. Smoke Tuna in the building. Good morning to you. We got a couple good plays setting up today. A lot of offerings I've been noticing been coming out on several of these tickers too, as the companies are looking to raise that capital. We can take advantage of it over at TTP with unlimited shorting. Just smack the button, traders. This is not financial advice. Oh, I love it. Not having to locate anything. All right, so we got about 25 minutes till the market opens on up, guys. A few tickers to look at. Smoke Tunas and AZI. We have a few to go over. Let me know if there's any tickers you want me to take a look at. And let's go ahead and jump into the good old watch list. And if you haven't yet, check out my latest video, my plan for 2025 into 2026, the plan for the year to get the profits rolling. All right, let's flip into the watch list, guys. Speaking of the offerings, we have MNTS Momentus, which did a $5 million registered direct offering, about 1 million shares at combined price, $5.40. Oftentimes, they'll do the whole Warren Buffett gravitate towards their intrinsic value, as he said. So, Momentus, keep this one on watch. Momentus develops additive manufactured fuel tank. I'm trying to figure out what the hype was on Momentus. If you know, let me know. Momentus, what got that thing going in the first place? Forget the news. A fuel tank. A U.S. commercial space company. Okay, Momentus, U.S. commercial space company. That's been hot lately. Okay, so space, AI, robots, all that's been hot. MNTS, I worked a little bit of this on the short side after that initial pop yesterday. So I'm going to be monitoring it real closely today because with that offering could hurt a little bit. MNTS, we have a tiny float too, 1 million shares. I got a 511,000 float. How are they offering 1 million shares? They're throwing out 1 million shares. Wow. Well, that's a large percentage of the company. All right, traders, let's keep flipping through the watch list with Mr. Fades, who's in the wings. Fades, how are we doing, man?
Good morning, guys. How's it going?
Long time no see, man.
I know, right? What is it? Happy New Year? I feel like it's been a while.
I know, man. It's been so busy. I know you were traveling a lot too for
Yeah.
Christmas and the New Year's. It's been so busy. I've been out of it a little bit because the kids have been on not spring break, Christmas break, and
Yeah.
so it's been a little crazy over here in this household. But yeah, ready to get back to it. How are you feeling?
Good,
about
man.
2026.
Yeah. Ready for a new year. Starting fresh. Feels good. Thinking my plan is going to be, the theme of the year is going to be like shop at multiple places. Like I like that approach. So, is CPro offering another? What do they got going on right now?
Free commissions for like 3 months, dude.
Yeah. So what I'm
Yeah.
thinking is, and I'm actually kind of interested in futures as well. So I saw that I think one of like Take Profit or something had a pretty good
Okay.
sign right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fund CPro a little bit again, and I'm going to dabble with futures. Try that during my week times, and stick to my best setups this year as far as like what we do already.
Man,
build
I
from
love it.
there.
I think it's going to be a good year for us. And you made a lot of good points you sent over in the voice memos where you were just saying how you got to like focus less on the opening bell, focus more on your bread and butter. And the bread and butter on like yesterday, dude, it's always, and I know we literally go over this all the time. It's always over leveraging one ticker. Like I did that on one account yesterday, and it did not go well. And then I got on the other account, I was like, okay, let me find like 6-7 good setups I like and sprinkle. And I had a great green day on that account. Just sprinkling, like, okay, let me just throw a couple hundred shares on 6-7 different plays that I like, and let's lean into the ones that are working. exit out of the ones that aren't, and it works so well, dude. When you sprinkle
Yeah,
that approach, I gotta take that, just New Year's resolution going into 20.
that's like the micro, right? It's like that approach on the day, but that's the reality of trading and longevity as well, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
just micro repetitions of the edge repeating itself, of the process repeating itself. But when you step up and swing too hard, put too much at stake at one time, and a variance gets you, and all of a sudden you blow up. And
Yes,
that's just the reality of it. It's just a numbers game. It's like you got to respect that.
the variance. So I like that. What else you got for your New Year's resolution? You're going to open shop many different places, Futures, C Pro, TTP. What else?
Yeah, that I'm also going to be relocating. Going to be moving. Probably going to get a house. Still staying in Florida, but I'm moving to a different area. Going to upgrade. I got this condo in 2020. It's crazy. It's 26. Good God. So I've just been kind of grinding here, trading for 5, 6 years now, doing my thing. And the market is really favorable. So I'm actually going to upgrade to a house for like the same price I got this condo for. So I'm hyped about that. That's like a big thing.
So,
I'm going to be moving my girl in with me this year. So yeah, a lot going on, man.
man, well, in the springtime, I'm gonna be checking that place out.
Yeah, dude, you got to come visit. I'm looking towards like the St. Pete area, like the West Coast area of Florida. The market's really nice out there, and it's a good area. So I've explored Florida a lot, but that area seems to be calling me. I have a couple friends that are moving out there and stuff. So
Okay, sweet, man, awesome, exciting times. Very
yeah,
cool. Upgrade. So,
yeah.
like, you're gonna sell your place or rent it out or
Yeah, well,
something? That,
I was thinking about it, like renting it and getting another spot, but I'm still debating on how I want to go about that. So
Mhm. Yeah. Yes, it's that's tough. Yeah, because
yeah,
it's like,
because yeah, and then renting. The problem is like owning by the coast is a headache, and that spot is like kind of a danger zone for hurricanes and stuff. That west coast of like that Tampa area.
flood insurance is gonna
Yeah,
be
it
heavy.
can be nightmarish. So going out there as a homeowner is a totally different ballgame than going out there and like renting an apartment or something. So that's been the hurdle. But yeah,
Oh, I
looking
see.
forward to it, man.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I remember looking into that and in like the 2020 time, because I was thinking about grabbing a place in Florida and I almost closed on one. But I remember like flood insurance, you have to have that like pretty much everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the hurricane. Well, I don't know if that's different. Like you got the flood, hurricane. There's a million different
Hmm.
insurances they
Dude,
have.
yeah, they tax you to death with all of them, and then it's like you pay that premium to be in a certain area, and they have a
Mhm.
section like flood sections and this and that. So
Ugh. Well, congrats, man. Happy for
yeah,
you.
yeah,
Can't wait.
appreciate that, man.
Give
Yeah,
us.
looking forward to it. What do you got going on? What's your biggest resolutions, like far as trading and all that goes?
Uh, I was trying to not be the overambitious bear. I think for the
I like that.
2026, I want to double one of these accounts up. Like if I have the 50, I want to 100% it, just slowly, like make 50 on the year, 25 make
Hmm.
25, 100 make 100. That's what I'd like to do. And
Yeah,
so the sprinkle methodology is what has to work for that,
yeah,
which we
right.
talked about. So that's what I'd like to do. And then of course open shop like you at C Pro and just
Hmm.
stop being so over leveraged on, like, stop. I got it this year. I got to get out of the habit of falling in love with any ticker. Like we
Yeah,
know we know what the good setups are, but we just have to take like our heart out of it and just trade and take the heart out
right.
of it and just
Yeah,
trade like the edge, like you said,
yeah.
over the series. No predictions, just
Hmm.
probabilities.
Yeah, it's such a real thing, man. It's such a real thing,
We
and
come full circle to that,
the
like all the
pressure,
time.
the profit targets, and the pressure, like the psychology of the funding, and it's a lot to
And
navigate.
I
For
I
sure.
know
It's
we've
you
talked
just make
about this
calls on this.
before, which makes it hard when you're analysts too, and we do this. Like it almost serves you better to literally find the setups, take the trades, and shut the computer down. So I'm thinking
Hmm.
about like doing that, finding the trades, taking the setups, but then just being like a commentator after, like
Yeah,
these are the trades I'm in. I'm in 6 trades, and just don't touch them. Like if you don't move the stops. If you get stopped, you get stopped. With the winners, take some profit, maybe adjust the stop so you don't lose on the trade. But yeah,
yeah.
just when you're sitting here in front of the screen, in front of the trades, like we oftentimes get in the way.
Yeah,
So
100%. I like that approach. The only thing for me, the only issue I have with that is sometimes when I'm in like more than say 4, I feel a little overwhelmed. And that all depends on how much you're actually risking, how volatile, right? So that just depends on the nature of your trading. So, I
mhm.
mean, if you're going really small size and it's truly a set it and forget it, then sure, you can sprinkle that many. If you're a little
Yeah.
bit more aggressive by any means, that might be a little too much to handle because certain, price movements or shifts in tape or order books
Yeah, you're gonna
probably
need
would
to take
behoove you to go ahead and cover or whatever.
right,
And you're not watching, you're not there present. So I like that.
depending on
But I
size.
think it's kind of like that sweet spot for me of the in between. For me, it's probably like 3 or 4, not one, but like a couple. I don't want to tunnel, but I've found out when I try to get too aggressive with too many, that's where when you get a couple reclaims at the same time, the P&L takes that hit, the psychology can flip
Yeah,
quickly. So
yeah.
you got to be careful with that. But I do love like the sprinkle theory. Like that's one of our like
We
textbook.
need to dude, this morning needs to be we need to, like, sit down and just film a little podcast on psychology one day because we could literally sit here and talk about it nonstop. Just like when we
Yeah.
were on your back porch, it's like, "Why are we not filming this?" We're
Right, right.
this
Yeah,
is
we just need
gold.
to
This
start.
is
Yeah.
gold.
I know, man. I love it. It's awesome.
Just bouncing ideas, like, it's so valuable, but let's get into your watch list. What you
Yeah,
looking at this
so
morning?
yeah, that's what I was making right now. I don't have a ton. I've been I've been kind of doing the same thing, trying to find these bigger picture fades, just a little
Sleeping
bit more
fade.
hands off, like a little bit, just like the swing picture. That's what I like the multi-day kind of swings,
Mhm.
like less stressful. Like that's kind of like evolving to like a less
We're
pressure,
both
just
like
like
that.
bigger picture. But some days it's like a scalpy market. Some weeks it is. So it just depends. But lately, that's kind of what I've been, taking a little break, working on some other stuff a little bit into this new year.
Yeah.
Um, but
Yeah,
yeah.
zoom out a little bit because it's like, I
Mhm.
don't really care where this thing is in 30 seconds. I'm looking, like, where it is next hour, next 2
Mhm.
hours,
I was
end of the day.
watching Sidhu. Sidhu
Oh,
is
I got that
interesting.
yesterday a little bit.
Yeah,
Sidhu, space, a lot of space plays, though, but yeah, what do you think Sidhu? Like, that could have further room down sitting on the previous
yeah.
close.
The 4 level is key. What it's going to do here at 4, like if it's going to break down or just keep churning here. Let's see.
Mhm.
Yeah, that was one I was watching yesterday and trading a bit.
Real overextended over the last, like, month or 2.
Mhm.
Uh, could be a hit on pops. The overall trend line is down at 340 on Sidhu,
Yeah.
like the healthy trend line that at least it's been on. It got way overextended off of that.
Mhm.
What else you looking at?
TMDE, and the cheaper one I was watching.
Yep, hangoverish,
Yeah. And then,
energy play.
yeah, MNTS is another one. I think someone was talking about they announced dilution. That one could be
Yeah,
MNTS.
MNTS did a $5 million offering at 540, which,
Okay. So that's, I
dude,
mean,
is like heavy dilution if this float's correct that I'm seeing. They have 511,000 in their float. So if you're offering 925,000 shares, that's like, dude, the current shareholders are getting majorly diluted.
yeah, so that's probably gonna be like has to be a top watch just with the nature of that.
Yeah, yeah, MNTS will be monitoring that too. Okay, I like that list.
Let me see what else I got. Um, INBS Sketcher one, but it's like it's up there. It's been popping around, flopping around.
Yeah, I took a
Keep on
little.
watch.
That was one I didn't marry. I had a short that got stopped out, and that was great. And then hit it again. up at like 14 something, and
Yeah,
I wrote it down. But
I shorted
it's
it
super
early.
sketch.
Yeah, like that first fade was great. Yeah, and then it like reclaimed and like had that crazy. Yeah, now it's just sketchy at this point. Not like the first one that I'd be running out of the gates to short by any means.
Yeah,
But
very
I was
sketchy.
thinking about a plan for myself, to be honest, bro. I was thinking about dabbling futures at Bell, futures at Bell for like 30 minutes or an hour, then come to small cap land and start shorting. Because as a
Yeah,
primary
yeah,
short, right, as like favorable shorts, 90% of the time we're
yeah.
shorting. Maybe that would make more sense.
Yeah, if you could look, I mean, you already know the data. It's like the
Yeah, the
opening
only
bell's
issue
not
is then
great.
you don't have the bird's eye view of what's been going on at the same time. You're kind of stepping in a little bit like, not as informed as the traders that have been there. You've seen what's popped, you've seen what's dropped. So that's the other counter argument to that. But I was seriously thinking
If you
about
could
that.
handcuff yourself from trading,
Right. It's like
yeah.
you block yourself off from your danger hours by like filling the gap with something else,
I
essentially.
like that. You have power hour and you have danger hour.
BNAI sketchball ticker it looked like it was going to break down yesterday. Just 4 a.m. Warrior congregation, and they just dumped them. And it's just another sketchball ticker. Just
That
manipulation
I
101.
looked at that and I almost overnighted that. I'm so glad I didn't.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, overnight nightmare.
Yeah,
Yep, and
yeah.
that's the variance, right? That's variance 101 right there, guys. Like when you're oversized and that happens,
Mhm.
guess what? No, you blow up. You wake up to max loss. And then what are you going to do?
We need to sit down and like define too for traders, like what is oversized. Like so if your max drawdown's like
True.
500
True.
$500, what is over? What do you think's
Yeah.
oversized with a max loss of $500 on the day?
So for me, it's going to depend
On a lot of
100% on
things.
eval or if it's a funded account, because that's where the slope is slippery. Um, you're awarded for being aggressive in an eval because you pass quick. But aggression, once you're funded, you're going to get punished by
Yeah,
variance.
didn't you pass one in like 3 trades? You did.
Oh yeah, I've passed several in that, but it's like you carry that degeneracy into the funded stage though,
Oh my
and then
god.
you swing big and you blow up. So it's a double edged sword, right? So yeah, that is the truth of it. Like you get rewarded for aggression on a funded, but you get punished for aggression once you're funded.
Right, right.
Rewarded on the eval, punished on the funded. So think about it
Sprinkle.
like that. So my logic is size probably twice as heavy on the eval, maybe 3 times as heavy. Why?
Mm.
Because how much money is at stake versus time
Oh,
invested, right?
speaking of sizing, I need to alert you guys to this. They just added a 5% indicator so that you can know the size on every trade to take. I cannot add that for some reason on the web-based version of the platform, but if you're not on the web, you should be able to add it. You can download the indicator, and it will tell you just on the window like what 5% volume is. So if you click on indicators, it's top of the chart, like add indicator. There's an import button, in which case you can import that 5% indicator, and they have it for download. They emailed it out, and it's on the Discord as well. So
What is it called? The indicator.
oh, I think you have to download it
Oh, okay.
first off of the Discord. Um, or do you want me to forward you the email?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay. If I didn't delete. Okay, yeah, the 5% rule. It's the 5%. Download the 5% rule indicator. I'll forward that email over to you.
Do you know if by chance if they changed the buying power rule for like after hours or if specific accounts? Because I
I
feel like
don't
after
know.
hours they let me use more leverage than usual. I don't know if it's
Huh.
a
I'm not sure.
but that was on my
Yeah,
phone
that's fun.
account, not an eval, so I'm not
Hmm.
sure. It's interesting.
Tuna, yeah, the program, the laptop to shut it down. Yeah, I know Byron. I miss him. Wish you were in here, Byron. Where you at? He's off in futures land, but he did that at CPRO. He was like, "Do not let me trade in." I think it was like market hours or pre-market, whichever time he was having trouble with. They actually locked him out. I got 5 minutes to go through a few tickers, guys. So let's go through them real quick. Of course, you have the phase 3 trials ALMS right now. ALMS hitting highs up from what $8 to 22 right now. So that's where everybody's going to be at the bell.
Yeah,
I
that was
like
a small reclaim. Wow.
I like CYCN. This one is partnering with another company for a depression treatment, but it's real sleepy and it's near a lot of resistance. CYCN. We got 250 on the daily and 250 as the 200-day moving average. So maybe it gravitates there, maybe not, but this feels sleepy.
Yeah.
I like that
Another
chart
one I
quite
like.
a bit.
Yeah, I like that one.
I do like V as in Victor RME, VRME. This one's kind of similar to your TMDE trade, dude. I mean, they're the exact same chart, actually. VRME, TMDE, I like those for the same reasons. You know, shorts against pretty much 120 to 140. MNTS, of course, I probably will sprinkle something on MNTS for a fade as they offering out at $5. I like JCSE as well. JCSE, they did a JCSE did a what are they like a dividend, like we're back to those special dividends, 44 cents. You remember that? That was like a month of PRs on special dividends. JCSE's up quite like what 100% or so nearly, and so I like that one for a potential fade against the 220.
Okay. Yeah, it could be a sleepier, safer one if it does give.
LVRO, V Victor, LVRO. Dude, that thing is still up a lot. That thing moved from 20 cents. It's at $1.20. Yesterday, I caught LVRO on the hangover.
Yeah, I traded that too.
Yeah, and then she popped up into zombie hour. But man, she's still up a lot. I really do like that one against like 130 if we get some if we get that one moving. Outside of that, let me flip through a few others. I mean, there's a couple back burners like the BNAI. Oh, AZI. I know Tuna was trading AZI. And then Sidu, you mentioned.
Yeah.
AZI's right here. AZI, very interesting name. They're partnering with like China's auto parts industry to form a strategic alliance. They're with an annual sale target of 200 million. AZI is trying to creep back up to a lot of resistance from 350 to 4. Interesting ticker.
Huh. Of course, you got the sketch ticker AFJK too. Can't forget that.
I know. I was like, I want to revisit some of those because SMX, dude.
Yeah, I like the S. When it finally gave. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
AFJK could do the same thing. It honestly, like even tight risk over this 85 looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And if this thing does, if that thing doesn't, yeah. So ALMS is going to be where everybody's at the open traders. I might monitor that on a DGen eval at the bell, but then there's man, look how steep this trend line. Look how steep this trend line is, dude.
I know, bro. Yeah. They gave the Bears a little bit of hope, and they said, nope, we're Stairway to Heaven. Stairway to Cameron. Stairway to Warriorville. Stairway to the battlefield.
That is, dude, that is so true. You're honestly like, I saw that yesterday on INBS. Like the exact thing that you just said is hilarious. Look at this. INBS. It's like okay, we have Bears have hope. We're cracking down under VWAP into new lows. And then nope, Stairway to Heaven.
Yeah, you see that big sweep and that reclaim, get out.
I know.
Like that big wig down and come back up. That's your sign, guys.
Oh my god.
Reduce
the sweep and Stairway to Heaven. Good morning. Good morning to you. 1 minute till the market opens up, guys. We got our tickers. We're not missing anything in here. We'll see what the Market gods provide us today.
Yeah.
Yeah, CYCN. I'm honestly monitoring that on pops. Anything up towards 250, I like. I'm like, then VRME, TMDE.
CYCN, Sidu. Yeah, there's nothing that's like screaming at me.
Right. I mean, MNTS is pretty good.
Yeah, he said it was a single investor, so I guess that's not as bearish as we'd like. All things are so weird. There's like such a gray area.
LVRO. Honestly, LVRO's up the most, and that the chart looks real good on that thing.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no I mean, we got to pay attention to volume because there's no volume.
Which at the bell, the volume will come. QBTX was a good long if you guys stock that one. That thing's gonna roar.
All right, traders, let's get it. Welcome to those just now jumping in here. Degens that roll out of bed for the 9:30 bell. ALMS, where everybody's focused on. Let's see if that's going to hold its trend. It's pulling back right now a little bit. ALMS, profit taken slightly. Cracking that steep trend, but is it just going to...
Right.
Could monitor it for a halt down if that's going to keep profit taking.
Yeah, call it if it halts down, guys. Watching Sidu and MNTS. See what else I want to have. QBTX, watching that. It's like ALMS is like just buy the dip here. Just call it. Keep it simple, guys. All in on the dip. 200% up. Who cares? We know the market.
I know.
MNTS, a little bit of selling. I might feels a little chasey, but got a little gap down to give.
Okay.
Spready. Not gonna get too eager at the bell. So.
ALMS still selling off.
Yeah, a little bit more. Now the bulls are gonna start to worry.
Feels like that one.
It's just gonna be a freaking chop fest.
Yeah, the bell is the worst time to do this.
I don't see it being clean. I just don't see it being clean.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. Monitoring the halt, but yeah, she's buying up again. CYCN, I might sprinkle on this one, traders, against even this 220. And we have a decent amount of shares coming through on it.
Is there volume? Okay,
yeah.
Sidu.
I'm
Sidu
hitting
alert.
it. CYCN hitting it.
Sidu alert, guys.
Okay.
It's cracking 4. Taking a starter.
All right, I'll sprinkle.
I was watching for that confirmation. So let's see if it's a sweep. It's not coming back up right away. So that's
sprinkling a little bit on it right now. And then CYCN, I like that one quite a bit too. Yeah, we want that one to stay under.
ALMS still pressure. Just sketchy. It's just like you just with plays like that, you just gotta accept like third, like fourth size than you want to be because it's the king of the day.
VRME looking heavy. Your TMDE looking pretty heavy. JCSC, LVRO. Man, I like LVRO. LVRO is kind of really nice. I might hit LVRO. Let me see. If there's enough volume on it.
Is there?
3,600 shares the last minute.
ALMS is dumping, dude.
Yeah. ALMS cracked its steep trend and having some trouble here.
Yeah. It's like they...
CYCN looking great, guys.
Okay.
I'm hitting it some more. CYCN.
You got volume?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
That chart just looked too good to pass up.
Oh, yeah. How much volume do we have? Our volume's coming in.
ALMS, man, that thing may be halting down soon.
It's on the cusp of collapse, but are they just toying?
I know. Yeah, because it's opening bell with it. I mean, who knows?
Yeah.
Did crack that trend though. I mean, 22 is a decent risk guide now, really on it. You know,
Mm-hmm.
ALMS. Like if
Or like
we're,
a stab. Yeah, first stab, like 21.5 even. You can scale some stops.
but it's the opening bell. They may be
Yeah.
hunting those stops and everything.
And Sidhu playing around. Don't want to see that come back. Yeah, there it goes. Stopped out. Damn. Got rowdy.
Yeah, it hasn't actually wanted to crack that 4 yet.
Yeah, it kind of faked out. Quick dip to 3/8 and then reclaim. Might not be done.
Mr. Barron in here, working ALMS both sides. Very good.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, king of the day. That's gonna be a tricky one. Sidhu with the red to green move, holding 4 now.
Mm-hmm. The usual morning chop. Just gotta kind of feel things out. Let's see.
I'm thinking about giving ALMS a love tap against 22. Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Feels kind of good here.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Yeah, don't like that city reclaim. I'm just gonna stay out of that for now until it gets back under 4. I'm good on that. ALMS, they haven't pumped it yet. And bulls are they didn't kill him yet either though. It's just another little bear lure. They actually gonna wash it. CYCN rowdy again. Chop fest, dude. Look at that reclaim. Yeah, it's that. And this is a classic example, guys. Like the bell, you can't trust the action. The action isn't trustworthy, especially on these plays. Like
Yeah,
forget this action. That's why I like going forward. I like the idea of like we did back in the day. Back in the day, we were like no bell trading or what did we say? I forget. Like
yeah,
wait
we were
something.
waiting 30 minutes.
So why don't we just go tinker with futures for 30 minutes and like occupy the time and try that avenue and then come back when we're like primed, right?
Yeah, it's a good thought. I feel like probably a completely relearning things, and I'd have to. I don't know much about futures or if it's. I mean, it seemed like Byron did very well going
There's a reason
from
why it's so popular. But yeah,
BNAI
it's
hitting
definitely,
5.
you gotta adapt and have for sure. So
Oh, snappy
yeah,
wappy
there
on
it goes.
ALMS.
There we go.
Dang, this is like kind of challenging though. Is it gonna halt down?
It's close right there at VWAP, bro, on the 5 minute VWAP.
And then 1 minute later, we're like, well, never mind. Actually, this opening bell is pretty nice.
Well, yeah, that's the thing. It's like
You know,
it depends. I think maybe for eval trading you can be aggressive and like, but I think for funded trading, like me personally, like just kind of like to avoid the bell. That's
yeah,
the trade,
yeah.
honestly. Like I'm more aggressive on an eval, but on a funded, I'm like sniping. I'm more preserved. I'm sticking to my like more calmer, more textbook. You know, it's like the evals just feel more aggressive and a little, riskier by nature. That's how I like to treat it.
Man, it's almost like you just have to have orders out. I mean, pretty much to take profit on this thing.
The action is just like you can't. It's hard to. You can't really win like in Pennyland with the manipulation of the bell. Like it'll work, but most of the times you're gonna get faked out or chopped out. Like that's just been my take on it.
Hmm.
Um, in general, just being honest.
Getting slammed here again off of that 20.
Yeah, mid 20s looks like pretty good support, or I mean resistance
For a risk guide there.
support for us.
Yeah, exactly. Like how?
It's got a couple of little wicks. It's getting tight right here in a flag. It's like about to boomer bust right here. Yeah, so C Pro, and that's the thing. So like when you have power, like you have leverage when you're at different books, or I mean different. I say books because like my sports betting thing, but it's the same concept. Like
Yeah.
when I need to hedge a bet, like I can go to like 3 or 4 different sports books and see like what's best. So kind of like with trading, like we can either go to trade the pool and trade the stock and short it, or we be at C Pro and trade the stock and short it. Depending on what makes more sense. Like how much is the locate? Like how confident, how convicted are we in this setup? How much do we want to risk? And it's like having that power instead of just being at one place and having to deal with only their situation, right? Like give yourself power, open your horizons. Like that's my philosophy.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I mean, it's going to benefit you in
It's
the
like
long run.
it literally saves me money every night because like when I have to hedge myself with like the system that I have with my betting on like my side hustle, I'm literally saving money because I'm comparing like what's gonna like make me more money in the end. Like this price is literally different from this price, So it's kind of the same way. Like it's not the same, but it is. Like when you look at it.
Hedging yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. What are we doing at this 20 ALMS?
Yeah, it's key right here. Maybe sweep up and wash. It's tight.
INBS has been MNTS is heavy, and INBS has been heavy. Just flipping through a couple others.
Yeah. Let me see.
BNAI got slapped at that 5.
Yeah.
SMX still heavy, dude. That thing halted down and it's still heavy.
Oh my god. I mean, INBS, if that thing stays I mean, it's got points to dump if it wants to.
Right.
Might be one to catch the trend and get involved.
You're absolutely right.
Watching
I
that.
like it. I do like her. How much
ALMS.
volume's on it? I'm looking at the volume. Oh, a decent chunk just came through.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get involved with IMBS.
Yeah,
Yep.
right here, right now, guys. New lows. And then Alms is working. Yeah. INBS, geez, right in the nick of time, cracking 10.
Good call.
MNTS is trying to follow suit. LVRO getting 5% down right now.
I would love to catch ALMS like in a panic into a halt down.
Might be coming.
It's slowing down right here, coming down to the lows, slowing, like getting kind of eerily. Price action's getting a little eerie. Let me know if it halts down. I'm flipping through a couple plays.
Okay.
Making sure we're not missing anything. CYCN, god dang it.
Did we miss that? Oh, the
No,
recall.
it
Oh
stopped
god, yeah,
me
that's
out.
disgusting, dude. Yeah, that was disgusting. That's classic Bell BS. I mean, call it for what it is.
Still like it, but I have to think about it.
Classic Bell BS, dude.
MNTS looks pretty good still. MNTS. And then what is ALMS gonna do? It's right here around VWAP.
Sidhu is Sidhu trying to. That thing's just gonna elevator without me. Keeps chopping me out and it's gonna dump without me. It's fine. So you just gotta respect, when they do that, when they just keep treating you bad, like you try it the next day, you come back and it chops you right out again. Just don't keep fighting it. Just submit. Like move on. She's not the one.
I'm getting re-involved on CYCN. And MNTS, I like that one too. I think there's a big order at 8:30.
To sell or buy?
Buy.
Okay, just print it up. 849. Oh yeah, I see it. So watch for that 8-3 to white and pressure lower. That could be a confirmation to take a starter.
Yeah, MNTS. I'm looking at that one for an entry. It's a little spready.
8-5 creeping up on bid.
VRME looks good, but it's
INBS wiki wonky spready. Sketch. But I mean, very clear resistance at 11.5. Like one to perhaps scale if they give us the pop, right? Like that's how I feel about that one. At this
VRME
point.
looks good, but it's very dead. Yeah, INBS. Annoying. ALMS looks like it's maybe trying to find a floor. Hopefully not. We'll see. Go lower. Go to the basement.
Oh man.
No floor here. Go to the basement.
Yeah, and here we are. It's only been 17 minutes since the bell. That's funny stuff, man.
CYCN annoying me.
It's so how I feel is like for the kings of the day, you're better off just waiting till the afternoon. Like you might miss some, but all in all, it's just hard to like have definitives, right, with trading because it's so situational at the end of the day. Like each day changes. But
heavy. ALMS heavy.
as far as
maybe
big
pressure low.
picture,
Maybe pressure lower here.
yeah, see that wig. Fingers on the trigger. I just added. You ready to cover? Is it time?
The time is now.
Finish
Man,
him.
love this thing. Yeah. Snap, crackle, pop, baby.
Finish them.
Without the pop, just snap.
Snap,
Just
crackle,
snap.
drop.
Yeah, there we go. I like that better.
I mean, it had the pop, so now it's time for the crackle.
Phase 3 trials has got nothing. Got nothing on this. Yeah, I mean, we see this often. Man, she is heavy looking.
INBS could be the sleepy king today. Like add on pops into that resistance at 11.5. I like that one. Just kind of like hone in on.
Okay. Man,
You got TTP today?
yeah, I need to head out here a little
Gotcha.
early as well because
Yeah, it's all good.
yeah, I gotta head over there in a few minutes. Yeah, just ALMS, IMBS. I'm monitoring both of those. Pretty much all I got going on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just
Keep
watching both of
scanning.
those too.
Keep scanning and trying to give ALMS room, but King of the Day, it might
19.5, a lot of
order
shares,
in.
so that'll be interesting if they. That could be where to move some stops at near closer to that. See how that reacts.
Like to see some panic on it, but it's kind of just been trickling down. AGL. Yeah, under VWAP 19, the thing probably, just panics on down. VRME's been looking good. Did you call that one out? One of us did. VRME. Yeah, it was the same setup as like TMD, but VRME's looking real good.
Verify me. Yeah. So LVRO is sleeping out.
Yeah, she's looks done. I might get involved there if there's enough shares. Not really.
Yeah, it's gonna be a sleepy sculler. 50 shares in feed to death.
Yeah.
See, that's the thing, that's why we need shop open, because ultimately, like, trade the pool is great, but there's just certain hurdles that hold us back, and the spreads hold me back a lot too when I want to scalp, and so I need more leverage, so I'm going to be back at C Pro, but I'm definitely going to be still, with trade the pool, and because like the risk reward is great, and it's just certain circumstances, like, you just need to have power and have shop open in multiple places.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely right.
Yeah. But I mean, and also that's going to change this year. And I've heard a lot of good things about Cobra. So once we roll out the no PDT thing and all that, which is this year now, right? 26. Happening, right? So once we roll that out, I think I'll shift perhaps to Cobra. I've heard a lot of good things about Cobra.
That 1950 is holding up real well. I'm just adjusting my stop right over that, I think.
But yeah, that's the theme of the year. It's like, I'm not loyal to any. I mean, obviously you're affiliated with Trade the Pool and you got your own thing going on, but like I like the fact of just spreading out and having multiple brokers open, having that leverage, having that power and that freedom that comes with that. So that's the theme of the year for me.
Yeah, that's a good one, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, like I said, we need to hop on a little podcast and talk about all this because this
Yeah, for sure, dude. We can figure something.
ALMS shooting up from there.
They sweep above 50. Looks like that could have been the sweep there.
It's not really getting any love from there.
No,
Everybody's stop was right there. Yeah.
literally. Yeah, they're just going to sweep everyone right there. And that's what they do. They put that big block. So they're like, all right, everyone, come on, set your stops here. And they sweep it just a little bit above it. But they haven't dumped it enough yet. So it's probably not actually done yet. It's probably going to turn around. Definitely want to just be stalking, though, at this point. The RR just there.
When it feels like the bottom can fall out at any point right here.
Yeah. Seriously. Right here, right now type.
Yeah, like come on, right now, ALMS.
It's close, dude. So, any new announcements to trade the pool at the beginning of the year? Like any changes or any major stuff going on, or that you're aware of?
Oh, hang on 1 second. ALMS.
You're like, dude, I'm all in here. Hold on.
Oh, those things. I'm not all in, but it feels on the brink of collapse.
You're like, dude, I have 500 shares. Just give me a second.
Maybe 1,000. No, I'm just kidding.
I like IMDS for bigger picture fade though. Today, that's my favorite. I'll leave you guys with.
IMBS.
Just super sleepy off that 11.5 resistance.
Yeah.
But since it's so sleepy, it could get carried away and wake above it. So you got to manage your risk there. Volume's still coming in. It's just spready. It's a gross spread, really. Let me add a little bit there. Yeah, I mean, ALMS feels like it's winding down. I mean, that's a massive red candle I'm looking at on bigger time frames. It's just slowly creeping down, really. So let's see. It's not getting love.
It's a tough one.
Watch out for a random spike. Pressure. Pressure.
Let's see what 19 is going to do right here. Orders are stacking on the ask.
Wash it. Washy wonder. Here we go.
There we go.
A clean descend too. Not too fast, not too aggressive, just nice and clean. Stay heavy. Trim a tiny bit, like 15% trim. I don't like that.
All right, man. I gotta hit the head before I jump on TTP. Good alerts, Gus.
All right, brother.
Appreciate you. Yeah, we'll talk. We'll chat.
Sounds good, man.
Let's get on that podcast.
Yeah. Oh, Trader Rehab and Resort's coming, dude.
Yeah, dude. We could
It's
make
literally coming. Like, we're just starting the blueprint this year, guys. Like, you have my word.
All right, let's do it. All right, man. Take it easy, guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow.